Welcome to this short video, where I'll explain what managed reports are, how to use them with the web search, and how to view a simplified summary of your search criteria. I shall begin by explaining what managed reports are. Managed reports refer to the search criteria used to generate your daily or weekly tender alerts. Unlike the searches you create yourself on the website, these reports are maintained by our team on your behalf. You can have as many managed reports as you like at no additional cost. To get the most out of your tender alerts, we encourage you to collaborate with us to fine-tune your managed reports. If you need any adjustments, feel free to reach out to us at any time. This video, however, is focused on showing you how you can access and use your managed reports on the website. Now let's begin. Start by logging into your account. To do this, first, head over to the website and click on the Sign In button. We shall enter our username. Next we will enter our password, and finally we shall click the Login button. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your account management homepage. You'll find a link here to access the Managed Reports page. To get started, click on this link. On the Managed Reports page, you will see a drop-down list of all your managed reports. For example, in this test account, I have 3 reports linked to my account. Select one from the list to begin. To see a summary of your search criteria for the selected report, click the View Summary button. This will show you the current search criteria associated with that report. As you can see, this report includes notices from the United Kingdom, Great Britain, and Ireland. The inclusion of Great Britain ensures backward compatibility with older tenders that used the country code GB. Under the region selection, you can see we have not limited our search to any specific regions of the UK or Ireland. Under the title heading, we can see that this report will search for notices where the title contains the keyword CCTV. Under the Awarding Authority heading, you'll notice that we haven't set any search criteria for this section. The Keywords heading displays a list of keywords searched across all fields in the tender documents. In this example, we're using a single keyword, CCTV. Finally, we have the CPV codes. This section highlights the CPV codes included in your search criteria. And that brings us to the end of this search summary. To close this and return to your managed report list, just click the Close button in the top right corner. Next, we'll move on to searching the database with one of your managed reports. Again, you'll just select one of your managed reports from the drop-down list. Next, simply click Find Tenders. By default, the results will only show tenders that are currently active. If you want to expand the search to include tenders that have expired, simply untick the box labeled Live Tenders Only. If you wish to narrow your search down further by date, you can do so by filling out one or both of these date range boxes. For example, if we want to only search for tenders published on or after the 1st of August, we can do that by simply changing the date in here. Now we'll click the Find Tenders button again to refresh the results. As you can see, some of the tenders displayed are marked as expired. This is because we unchecked the Live Tenders Only box. If we do not want to show expired tenders, We should go back and check this box. Next, click the Find Tenders button once more to refresh the results. Now you can see it is no longer showing expired tenders. This concludes our video, and that's all there is to it. It's quite simple to use. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions for features you'd like to see added, please let us know. Thank you for watching.